Hi, this is Maddie, editing Maddie. Okay, it's literally 1:30, probably 2 a.m. now, and I'm writing a fucking essay for English because I'm a last minute bitch. So, I forgot to film the intro when I look cute. So, you're gonna get a bootleg ass intro, but you know what? It's something. I'm not just gonna throw you into the video. So yeah, besides me not doing a writing an essay on The Great Gatsby at literally 1:30 at night, I might edit this fucking video now, like right after I finish this essay. So I might not sleep tonight, but it's okay, it's fine. Anyways, the video you're about to watch is me doing my makeup because I had filmed a video the day before, and it was just so garbage. The only good part of the video was me getting attacked by an ant. So I think I'm just gonna. So I was just like, let me just make a whole other video and let me just voice it over because that's all I'm good at. Alright, so already this intro is like long as hell, because I have a problem with that. But yeah, I'm gonna just let you watch the video. It's not terrible. I mean, it is, but it's not. I think you'll like it. I don't think you will actually. But for everybody that wanted a video, here it is. Leave me suggestions in the comments because I literally don't know what to film because I'm literally so boring and I have like 3 ideas in my 3 brain cells are trying to function right now to finish this essay at what time is it? 1:44. That's hot. We're thriving. The life of a high school student. Alright, bye. Hey friends, so I'm not even kidding when I say this is the 10th time I'm recording this goddamn voice recording. So, because I can't do the simplest thing, such as commentate on my own video, but here we go again. Here's me smearing lies on my face because primer is a lie. It's hella expensive, useless as hell. I mean, you know the drill. We're just trying to get rid of it. We do our eyebrows next, and we have to use 3 things for our eyebrows because our eyebrows are hella busted. So we need a lot of work and a lot of tools to do that work. Sorry, I just burped nasty. Yeah, we're just gonna start by filling them in with this thing that I actually tried out for the first time during this video, so that was kind of risky, but I'm just such a risk taker. Okay, I need to stop. Make your eyebrows look real dark and fluffy, just like your father's. So whenever they say, you look just like your father, you can say, oh, yes, I agree. That was totally what you're going for. And then we're going to make them even darker with a pencil, and we're going to outline them. But just take back everything I just said, because we are about to cut our eyebrows and make them look real good. No, carving out your brows is just so quintessential. If you don't do it, I really don't know what you're doing with yourself, but, to each their own, I guess. Yeah, that's the finished product, looking like a whole ass Naruto character. But yeah, I think here's the eyeshadow palettes that we use. Actually, we don't even use that second palette, so I don't know why I showed it. I thought I was gonna use it, but I didn't. Oh, now we're priming our eyes, or whatever. Yeah, we prime it with concealer because, like I said, a primer of any kind just doesn't do shit. We're putting on a bone color. Hi, Jennifer. We're putting on a bone color on our eyes. Brow bone. I literally don't know how to talk. My phone's about to fall. My phone's about to fall. Okay, there's me almost falling. My phone almost falling. And just me pulling out my glasses out of nowhere. It's fine. Me getting attacked by my palette. Okay, this is too much going on. I take that orange shade and I just smear it. What's the right word for that? Oh, shit. Yeah, what's the right word for that? Is it blend? Yeah, blend. Let me just blend that orange into my crease, Be such a beauty guru. Like, Jacqueline Hill, move the hell out of the way. Like, James Charles, Jeffree Star, like, who the fuck are they? Okay, anyway. I need to shut up and actually tell you what I'm doing. Okay, so if you're actually watching for the makeup, first of all, I don't know why you would do that, but second of all, I considered you, and I Showed every step of the way. Just I sped it up because no one wants to sit here and watch me do it for like 10 hours. Um, yeah, my makeup is really childlike. It looks like a 5-year-old did it. So I don't really know why you would watch me as an actual tutorial, but I appreciate you a lot. Oh, also, yeah, our eyeshadow looks like that so far. Um, yeah, we look like I got punched by Mike Tyson, or like I just got attacked by a bunch of cholos behind an alley, but it's okay. That's how it always starts. Just trust the process. It'll get better. Oh yeah, so I just start carving, cleaning, cleaning up. No, carving out the lid. I think that's how you say it. Don't take everything I say in this video with a grain of salt because I kind of suck, as you could probably tell by now. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up the edge because it was bothering me, and I cleaned up the lid so that the shimmer eyeshadow would pop more, like that gold. Like, look how beautiful that looks. Okay, I did the other eye off camera, and we're finally doing foundation. So we're about to go from busted to bad bitch in like 10 seconds because we're about to cover up all the ugly. Um, yeah, because my face looked like hell. Like, it looked at a piece, like a piece of pizza, and it went, damn, I really want to look like that. So we're just gonna take concealer and just cover up all of that, because there's nothing concealer can't fix. Wish it could fix my grades, but that's just a whole other issue. Yeah, we're just gonna blend that in. And then we're gonna grab another concealer because we're really busted and we really need to fix our face. So we're just gonna use 2 layers because fuck it. Okay, now we're gonna bake. No, not bake like that, silly. We're gonna bake our face. So what I mean by that is we're gonna smear a bunch of Coke under our eyes and on our face, and our makeup will stay cemented on for the rest of the day. However, I don't know why I did that because I'm literally gonna take it off in an hour, and I just did this makeup for an Instagram picture. But, it's okay. When I actually am going out and I do this, it actually does stand longer, it makes me look a little bit less greasy. But then again, there's nothing in the world that will make my face not greasy. Because you could literally fry an egg on my face. Like if the United States saw my face with all that oil, like they would conquer my ass. But, yeah. So now we're just gonna contour, we're gonna go from a circle to a sphere. We're gonna be sculpted like a Michelangelo sculpture. Was he the one that sculpted? I don't know. Don't come for me, please. I'm so uneducated. Next video, Maria takes the Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader? Oh, my sister brought me a smoothie. What a girl. What a guy. What a G. For everyone that was dragging me for the way I spray my face, fuck you. And, here's me drying my face. Oh, she threw a straw at me, by the way. And here's me drying my face with a expensive-ass palette. And looking graceful. She also brought me a cookie. Like, wow. What a god. So now I'm just patting it in, just a blend and a half. And I am about to start. Never mind. I'm just gonna sip on my smoothie now, suck on things because I'm so good at that. And yeah, I really don't know what happened in this part of the video. Yeah, I really don't know. Oh yeah, just clean up your lip foundation with the straw wrapper because that's what normal people do. At least it wasn't my shirt this time, right? Yeah, put some chapstick on. Vaseline should sponsor me because that chapstick slaps. Oh, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes because I don't want them to. I'm not gonna like make them super big because I'm not particularly looking for them to look big because I'm gonna put on lashes. So I'm just gonna put on a bit of mascara to like blend in my lashes with the fake ones because I'm such a beauty girl and I know what I'm doing. Like, did you just hear me talk about that? Like I was a professional. Like every beauty guru is just shaking right now. Like they just boarded flights home because they're all just so scared. But yeah, this is my second time putting on lashes, literally ever. So if they look bad, don't judge me, please. yeah. I'm just gonna grab mascara, just once again, just blend my real lashes with the fake ones. Just like all the fake bitches at my school be blending with all the real hoes. Um, oh shit. Don't you just hate when you get mascara on your nose? Hashtag just girly things. Struggles. But I got an easy fix for you guys. Grab a Q-tip and dab your beauty blender. And yeah, it'll look like nothing ever happened. Why does my makeup look so fucking unblended? Like, it's not even funny. Like, holy shit, I did not notice that. Oh yeah, for everyone asking if my dog was dead in the last video, no, she's fine. She just kind of looks like a mutt, She's kind of cute, though. I love her. She's alive, by the way. Haters. Anyways, oh yeah, now I'm putting on highlighter. I don't know why, because my face is already greasy as hell, you know. But it's what's popping right now, Just accentuate your acne. Like, just make everything pop out even more. But at least it makes my nose look cute, When is this video gonna be over, bro? I'm so tired. It's literally like 10 on a school night. Oh, this is the most important part. So, you grab that, you can grab any shimmer, like light shimmer, and just put it on the corners of your eyes, and it'll literally make you look like you know what you're doing. And it'll make you just look a million times better, like more awake, like just, yes, like, ooh. It'll get you, never mind, I'm just gonna stop right there. But yeah, that's the look. Oh, I didn't film this part, but I put on lipstick before I put the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And there's the finished look. Yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. Bye.